Hello guys, I have placed a trade. So I want to explain for you the reason I have placed this trade. So you have to keep in your mind that these two candles are very important when you see at order block or clean lows market. So you have to know these candles are called double momentum candlesticks. So if you see these two candles at the swing low, you have to place your trade bias or buy side because as you can see, I've placed this trade in a up direction. So this was M5 order block. So the reason is very simple, and you have seen, and let me see the next 2 or 3 minutes because now we are in a loss, but in the later how this market behaves. So this is Euro JPY and it's uptrend, and I use my perfect strategy, which is about four strategy. As you can see here, this was order block or mean threshold, and these candles are very weak, and also sellers are very weak, and we have seen here normal trend. So if you go back, we don't see any level around here, but this is the mean threshold of this candle. So the reason I believe is all is very clear, and I believe my trade into high option. Now you can see buyers are still going on the market, or are still coming the market. So if you know uh, strategy, you have to have okay, let me search another bears. Okay, this is no break. Every day I place only one trade. So and this is the trade, so I want to cancel this, and let me look at this. So we are in a last candle right now. So what is going on? You see buyers are still in power, right? These red candles were only retracement candles. So if you wanted to see the future, look at the past. So you can see these green candles at the left, and these are called double momentum. So you have to wait 2 or 3 retracement candles, which are coming from sell side, and then you have to place your trade the second candle or the third candle. That gives you good opportunity by using bar 4 strategy. So as you can see here, M5, a lot of buyers are coming in the market. So that is very easy. The way I analyze, this is the way that I analyze, and I only place only one trade, one shot. So if you're new here, please smash the bell icon, and every day I will upload English videos if you focus on. So please share this video. If I see a lot of viewers